So good evening to everyone. அனைவருக்கும் இனிய மாலை வணக்கம். இன்னைக்கு நீங்க பார்க்க போறது ரெண்டு ஆல்டர்னேட் மெடிசன் தெராப்பி, 2 மாற்று மருத்துவம், மருந்தில்லா மருத்துவம். Okay. Okay. Today we are going to cover 2 chapters at a glimpse. ஒன்னு வந்து வர்ம தெராபி, தமிழ்ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா வர்ம சிகிச்சை. இன்னொரு சாப்டர் என்னன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா முத்ரா தெராபி. இந்த முத்ரா தெராபிக்கு வந்து எந்த பேசிக் நாலேஜ் அவசியம் இல்லை, வர்மத்துக்கும் பேசிக் நாலேஜ் அவசியம் இல்லை. there is no need for any basic idea about that. clean slate இருந்தா ஓகே, will make you to learn very comfortable. It is a very noble technique, 100% proven technique.
సో ద 2 టెక్నిక్స్ మనకు టీచ్ చేస్తారు సార్ ఈరోజు. ఒకటి వర్మన్ థెరపీ, ఇంకోటి ముద్రా థెరపీ. రెండు కూడా ఆల్టర్నేటివ్ థెరపీస్, చాలా ಅದ್ಭುతంగా ಪನಿచేస్తాయి. ಸೊ ಈ రెండింటిని మనం నేర్చుకుందాం. ಎರಡು ಥೆರಪೀಸ್ಗಳು ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಕಲಿಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಸರ್ ನಮಗೆ ಮುದ್ರಾ ಥೆರಪಿ ಒಂದು, ವರ್ಮನ್ ಥೆರಪಿ ಎರಡು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಥಿಯರಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. எஸ்,
நீங்க நோட்ஸ் எடுக்கணும்னா எடுத்துக்கங்க. என்னோட புக்ஸும் அவைலபிள் இருக்கும். ஆஃப்டர் தி கிளாஸ் ஐ வில் டிஸ்ப்ளே மை புக்ஸ். யூ கேன் பை இட், நாட் கம்பல்சரி. யூ கேன் கோ. தமிழ் ಅಂಡ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ both are available.
ಸೊ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ನು ಸರ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವರ್ಮನ್ ಥೆರಪಿ, ಮುದ್ರಾ ಥೆರಪಿ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಅದು. ಅವರೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಸರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, ಸರ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕಲ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ರಿಟೈರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವರ ವಂಶದಲ್ಲೇ ಈ ವಿದ್ಯೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ವರ್ಮ ವಿದ್ಯೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅವರ ವಂಶವೃಕ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಈ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ he has written 2 books, 2 or 3 books, 3 books you have written, right?
Totally 13 books.
13.
But it is
okay. 13 books he has written.
I'll display the books. You can come and see in the afternoon.
Especially Varma, Mudra, Aku Varman. These books are available for purchase in the basement. That is ಡೈನಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೀವು ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. సో ఒక 3 బుక్కులు రాశారు సారు, అద్భుతమైన బుక్స్. అంటే ముద్రా థెరపీ, వర్మ థెరపీ, ఆకు వర్మన్ అంటే ఆకు పంచర్. ఆ బుక్స్ కావాలంటే మీరు తీసుకోవచ్చు. కింద అంటే అన్ని ఇంగ్లీష్ లో ఉంటాయి. సో ఇంగ్లీష్ వచ్చిన వాళ్ళు ఖచ్చితంగా తీసుకోవచ్చు.
Tamil books are also available in some other topics, சுஜோக் therapy and switch words, மாற்றும் வார்த்தைகள், then zibu symbol like that. You can come and see it. First of all, முத்ரா தெராபிங்கிறது வந்து இட் இஸ் வெரி வெரி ஈஸி டெக்னிக். எல்லாருமே கத்துக்கலாம், எதுவுமே பயப்பட வேண்டியதில்லை. நம்ம உடம்பு வந்து 5 எலிமெண்ட்ஸ், 5 பூதங்களால் ஆனது. அந்த 5 பூதங்களும் நம்ம கை விரல்கள்ல இருக்குது. The body is made of 5 elements. The same all the elements are available in the fingers.
So all the 5 elements అంటే ಪಂಚಭೂತಾಲು మన 5 వేళ్ళలో ఉన్నాయి. ಪಂಚಭೂತಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ 5 ಬೆರಳಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಅಗ್ನಿ, ಇದು ವಾಯು, ಇದು ಆಕಾಶ, ಇದು ಭೂಮಿ, ಇದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು నీరు ఆಯ್తా. సో నీరు, తర్వాత పృథ్వీ, ఇది వచ్చేసి ఆకాశ తత్వము, ఇది వాయు తత్వము, ఇది అగ్ని తత్వం. పంచభూతాలు మన వేళ్ళలో ఉన్నాయి.
ఓకే, లిసన్, నోట్ ఇట్. thumb finger for fire, நெருப்பு. இண்டெக்ஸ் ஃபிங்கர் ஃபார் ஏர், காற்று மூலகம். மிடில் ஃபிங்கர் ஃபார் வுட், ஆகாஷ், மர மூலகம் இல்லாட்டி ஆகாஷ் மூலகம். ரிங் ஃபிங்கர் இஸ் ஃபார் எர்த், நிலம், எர்த். திஸ் ஃபிங்கர் ஃபார் வாட்டர். So relevantly you can have organ also. Thumb, it is heat. So what are the parts available in the body? Heat, heart, small intestine, pericardium, triple warmer. Triple warmer means upper part temperature, middle part temperature, bottom part temperature. உடம்புல வந்து பெருவிரல் எடுத்தீங்கன்னா நெருப்பு. ஸோ ஹார்ட் சூடா இருக்கும், ஹார்ட். ஸ்மால் இன்டெஸ்டைன் சூடா இருக்கும் 2. மூணாவது வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா பெரிகார்டியம், இருதய மேலுறை, the cover the heart. Last part is triple warmer, மூவெப்ப மண்டலம். மேல் பகுதி வெப்பம், மிடில் பகுதி வெப்பம், தேர்ட் பகுதி வெப்பம். இது எங்க ப்ளே பண்ணுதுனாக்கா ஆல் லேடிஸ்க்கு வந்து ஆல் இஸ்யூஸ் கனெக்டட் டு ஹீட் ஒன்லி.
సో ఈ అగ్నితత్వ ఉంది కదా, అగ్నితత్వం అంటే ఇది, దీనికి ఈ చిన్న ప్రేగులు, తర్వాత దీనిపైన ఇక్కడ అంటే ట్రిపుల్ వార్మర్, పెరికార్డియం ట్రిపుల్ వార్మర్ అంటే ఇక్కడ నుంచి పైకి, తర్వాత కింద ఈ పొట్ట భాగం అంతా ఉంది కదా, ఇక్కడంతా కూడా హీట్ కి సంబంధించి ఆ హీట్ అగ్నితత్వం పనిచేస్తూ ఉంటది. ఆ అగ్నితత్వం అనేటువంటి చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. లేడీస్ కి అంతా కూడా ఈ యొక్క ఈ గర్భాశయం యొక్క ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వచ్చేదే ఈ ಅಗ್ನಿತತ್ವಂ నుంచి అని చెప్తున్నారు. ಅಗ್ನಿತತ್ವ ಇಂಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಅಗ್ನಿತತ್ವ ಇಂಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಲೇಡೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಕೊಂತದಲ್ಲ, ಅವಾಗ ಗರ್ಭಾಶಯ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬರತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಅಗ್ನಿತತ್ವ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಭಾಗ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಪೆರಿಕಾರ್ಡಿಯಂ ಟ್ರಿಪಲ್ ವಾರ್ಮರ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
Small tip for ladies: if anybody having periods issue or a fertility problem like that, simply sleep by 9 o'clock, at least 1 week. Then give me a feedback. No medicine is required. 9 o'clock you have to sleep. 9 to 11, it is in a body Harare cycle. Organ cycle is there. Morning 3 to 5, lungs will be strong. And 5 to 7, stomach will be there. In small, large intestine will be working for higher. At that time only we are going for bathroom and all. Morning 3 to 5 lungs is working. So Brahma Muhurtam. So 5 to 7 is large intestine. So we are going for removal, everything like that. Then 7 to 9 stomach is working. That is the time for eating. So
సో ఈ ಬಾಡಿ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ అని చెప్పేసి మనము తెలుగులో చెప్పుకున్నాం కొన్ని ಸೆಷನ್ಸ್. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿದೀವಿ ಬಾಡಿ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಹದ ಗಡಿಯಾರ. సో ಅಂದ್ರೆ మన యొక్క దేహం యొక్క గడియారం గురించి చెప్పుకున్నాం. దేహ గడియారం అనేది ఎట్లా ఉంటదంటే, మన దేహంలో బయట ఎట్లయితే ఒక గడియారం ఉంటుందో మన దేహంలో కూడా గడియారం ఉంది. అది ఎలా పనిచేస్తుంది అంటే గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, పొద్దున్నే 5 నుంచి 7 అది వచ్చేసి పెద్ద పేగుల యొక్క టైం. మన దేహంలో ఒక్కొక్క అవయవానికి ఒక టైం ఇవ్వబడింది. ఆ టైంలో మనము దాంతో పాటు పనిచేయాలి. దానికి వ్యతిరేకంగా నడుచుకోకూడదు. ఉదాహరణకి 5 నుంచి 7 టైం, ఆ టైంలో ఏం చేయాలి, మనము విసర్జన, మల విసర్జన, దానికి కావాల్సిన కొద్దిగా వేడి నీళ్లు తాగాలి. ఓకే, కొన్ని ముద్రలు మనకు అపాన ముద్ర, ఓకే, తర్వాత సూచి ముద్ర, ఇట్లా చేసుకోవాలి. సో అలా చేసుకుంటే విసర్జన ఈజీగా అయిపోతుంది. ఆ టైంలో విసర్జన టైం అది దేహానికి నిర్ణయించబడినటువంటి విసర్జన టైం 5 నుంచి 7. మనం ఏం చేస్తాం, ఆ టైంలో రగ్గప్పుకొని పడుకొని ఉంటాం. అవునా? విసర్జన అవుతుందా? ಮಲಬದ್ಧತ, ಪೈಲ್ಸ್ ಏವೋ ವಸ್ತಾಯಿ ಜಬ್ಬುಲన్నీ. ಸೊ ಸರ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಈ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಅವಯವಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಸಮಯ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಹದಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದೇ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಫುಲ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಹದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂಥರ ಈ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಇಂಟೆಸ್ಟೈನ್, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕರ್ಲಿಗೆ 5 ರಿಂದ 7 ಟೈಮ್. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ 3 ರಿಂದ 5ಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಉಸಿರಾಟ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ, ಶ್ವಾಸಕೋಶಗಳ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ 7 ರಿಂದ 9 ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ತಿನ್ನೋ ಸಮಯ. ಅದು ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಾವು ನಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಧಿಗಳು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
Just note பண்ணிக்கங்க, வேற ஒண்ணும் தேவையில்லை. Just like that. Cycle only. 5 to 7 large intestine, 7 to 9 stomach we are eating. Then 2 hours spleen. After eating the food, the blood is prepared by the spleen. Then heart, small intestine. Right? Rotation is coming like that. So, especially I'm telling the TV, this is out of topic only. 9 to 11, why I want to ask the ladies to sleep means, at that time, the body maintaining the temperatures is getting stimulated. You have to give the rest for them. That is the main thing. And also, 11 to 3, whatever may be the reason, you should lay down on the bed. It is gallbladder time and liver time. Don't disturb that one. Up to some age, nothing will happen. Other problem will come. எல்லாரும் வந்து சைக்கிள் பார்த்துக்கங்க. மேக்சிமம் தூங்குற டைம் வந்து 9 o'clock படுத்துருங்க. 11 to 3 கம்பல்சரி படுத்துருக்கணும். தூங்குறீங்களோ இல்லையோ, you go to lay down. So give a rest for gallbladder and liver. அது என்ன பண்ணுதுனாக்கா உடம்ப சுத்தம் பண்ணுது. அந்த டயத்துல டிஸ்டர்ப் பண்ணீங்கன்னா அது உங்க ஹெல்த்தை பாதிக்கும். இது ஒரு காமன் சைக்கிள் தெரிஞ்சுக்கங்க.
ரைட்.
1 minute.
So
இந்த டயத்துல ஏதாவது உங்களுக்கு பிரச்சனை வருது, மார்னிங் 3 to 5 any disturbance is there, your sleeping disturbance, some breathing is there, there is indicates that your lungs is function is coming down. 5 to 7 some problem with the output or nothing, so your large intestine is getting somewhat function is laying down. So when the part is working very high, the time is very good. If any symptoms showing that if you are having some problem, the particular organ is getting affected. That is, we should be very careful, get prepared.
సో దిస్ బాడీ క్లాక్ అనేటువంటిది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ మన దేహంలో. బాగా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. సార్ ఏం చెప్తున్నారంటే పొద్దున్నే 3 నుంచి 5 ఊపిరితిత్తులు, 5 నుంచి 7 వచ్చేసి లార్జ్ అంటే పెద్ద పేగు అంటే మల విసర్జన, 7 నుంచి 9 వచ్చేసి స్టమక్ అంటే జీర్ణాశయం టైం. ఆ టైంలో జీర్ణాశయం టైం అంటే జీర్ణాశయం బాగా యాక్టివ్గా పనిచేస్తూ ఉంటుంది. ఆ పనిచేసే టైంలో మనం తినాలి. మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే అది తప్పించి తినడం కానీ అసలు తినకపోవడమో ఏదో ఒకటి జరుగుతూ ఉంటుంది. దానివల్ల మన ఆరోగ్యం దెబ్బతింటుంది. ఆ విధంగా చూస్తే నైట్ వచ్చేసి 9 to 11 సార్ ఏం చెప్తున్నారంటే 9 to 11 ఫర్ లేడీస్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఆ టైంలో 9 to 11 టైంలో ఈ బాడీ టెంపరేచర్ అడ్జస్టబుల్ టైం. ఎందుకంటే అప్పుడే మనం నిద్ర స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి కదా. చాలా మంది లేడీస్ ఎవరికైతే పీరియడ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉంటాయో, ఓకే, పీరియడ్స్ ప్రాబ్లం 9 to 11 నైట్ కరెక్ట్ రెస్ట్ తీసుకుంటే వాళ్ళకు ఆటోమేటిక్ వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. ఏ పీరియడ్ ప్రాబ్లం ఉండదు. ఓకే, చూడండి ఎంత ఇంపార్టెంట్. తర్వాత 9 రాత్రి వచ్చేసి 11 to పొద్దున్నే 3 వరకు, రాత్రి 11 నుంచి పొద్దున్నే 3 వరకు ఈ టైం చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. గాల్ బ్లాడర్ ఒకటి అక్కడ యాక్టివ్గా పనిచేసేది గాల్ బ్లాడర్, తర్వాత లివర్. ఈ రెండు ఏంటంటే దేహాన్ని మొత్తాన్ని డీటాక్సిఫై చేస్తాయి. ఏమన్నా లోపల టాక్సిన్స్ ఉంటే కదా, బ్లడ్ లో టాక్సిన్స్ ఉన్నా మొత్తం ఆ టైంలో యాక్టివ్గా పనిచేస్తూ ఉంటుంది. ఏది అంటే గాల్ బ్లాడర్, లివర్ రెండు పనిచేస్తుంటాయి. ఆ టైంలో మనం ఖచ్చితంగా పడుకోవాల్సిందే, డీప్ నిద్రలోకి పోవాల్సిందే. మీరు దాన్ని ఏమైనా డిస్టర్బ్ చేస్తే మీ ఆరోగ్యం ఖచ్చితంగా దెబ్బతింటుంది. ಸೊ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಹದ ಗಡಿಯಾರ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 24 ಗಂಟೆದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಅವಯವಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಅವಯವ ಆರ್ಗಾನ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತಕ್ಕ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಉದಾಹರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 5 ಇಂದ 7 ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕರ್ಲು, 7 ಇಂದ 9 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜೀರ್ಣಾಶಯ ಟೈಮ್, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಆ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ 9 ಇಂದ 11 ಆದ್ರೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಅದು ಸ್ಪ್ಲೀನ್ ಗುಲ್ಮ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಸಮಯ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಕ್ತ ತಯಾರಾಗೋ ಸಮಯ ಅದು. ಈ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ನೈಟು ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಸಾರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು, ನೈಟು 9 ಇಂದ 11ವರೆಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ, ನಿದ್ದೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ 1 ವಾರ ಆ ತರ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಈ ರಕ್ತ ಪ್ರಸರಣ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಋತುಸ್ರಾವ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ, ಋತುಸ್ರಾವ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ತೀರೋಗತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವುದು ಇರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ನೋಡಿದ್ರ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನ ಶೈಲಿ ಹೇಗಿದೆಯೇ? ನಾವು 9 to 11 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಎಚ್ಚರಿಕವಾಗಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಮಲ್ಕೊಳಕಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರವೇ ಈ ಋತುಸ್ರಾವ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಸಾರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು 9 to 11 ನೈಟು ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು ಯಾರು ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂತಾರೋ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೈಟು ಅಟ್ ಎನಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ 11 ಗಂಟೆಯಿಂದ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 3 ಗಂಟೆವರೆಗೂ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೇಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಗಾಲ್ ಬ್ಲಾಡರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಿವರ್. ಅದು ಡಿಟಾಕ್ಸಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಟೈಮ್, ಅದು ಕೊಡ್ಲೇಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಕೆಟ್ಟೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Now come to mudra. This finger related to large intestine. Organ allotted for this finger is lungs and large intestine. This is for gallbladder and liver, middle finger. Ring finger is meant for stomach and spleen. Last is water. What are the parts available for water? Kidney and urinary bladder.
Okay, so this is
heart. Heart, small intestine, triple warmer and pericardium. Heart, small intestine, pericardium, triple warmer.
ಇದು ಹೃದಯ, ಪೆರಿಕಾರ್ಡಿಯಂ, ಓಕೆ. ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಇಂಟೆಸ್ಟೈನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಚಿನ್ನ ಪೇಗು. இல்ல பிரச்சனை
ரொட்டேஷன்ல வரும் சார், பாத்துக்கலாம். I will explain, no problem, no problem. நம்ம அது வந்து அவுட் ஆஃப் சிலபஸ் முதல்ல இது சிலபஸ் இது முடிச்சிடலாம். Then நடுவிரல், that is thumb finger, sorry,
இது
middle finger.
வாய்
This is only for
Mind.
large intestine and lungs. According to mudra. Acupuncture, this is lungs. Don't worry about that. This is LI, large intestine.
ఇది పెద్ద పేగు మరియు
Large intestine and lungs.
లంగ్స్.
Because it related to air media, air மூலகம். காற்று மூலகத்துல வந்து லங்ஸும் நுரையீரலும் பெருங்குடலும் காற்று மூலகத்துல வருது. நடுவிரல் எடுத்தீங்கன்னா லிவர் அண்ட் கால் பிளாடர். ஏன் இண்டிபேட் பண்ண உங்களுக்கு சொல்றேன் நான். லிவரும் கால் பிளாடர், பித்தப்பையும் கல்லீரலும். இந்த மோதிர விரல் எடுத்தீங்கன்னா இரைப்பை, வயிறு கிடையாது. ஸ்டமக் வேற, இரைப்பை வேற. இரைப்பைங்கிறது வந்து ஸ்டமக்கு காமனா ஸ்டமக்குன்னு சொல்றோம். பட் இரைப்பைங்கிறது வந்து உணவை செரிக்கிறது தான் இரைப்பை. இரைப்பையும் ஸ்பிளீன், திஸ் ஒன்.
ஸ்பிளின்.
லாஸ்ட் ஒன் கிட்னி, சிறுநீரகம் மற்றும் சிறுநீர்ப்பை, யூரினரி பிளாடர் அண்ட் திஸ் ஒன்.
కిడ్నీ అండ్ యూరినరీ
Kidney and urinary bladder.
కిడ్నీ అండ్ యూరినరీ బ్లాడర్.
Okay, now 5 elements are there. So in the body, all the 5 elements should be in balanced condition, no disease. Am I accepting? 5 எலிமெண்ட்டும் நம்ம உடம்புல கரெக்டா இருந்தா நமக்கு வியாதி கிடையாது. இதுல ஏதோ ஒரு எலிமெண்ட் ஜாஸ்தியானா கம்மியானா நமக்கு வியாதி வருது. So whenever the element is in balanced state, there will be no disease. Whenever the element is one or distributed, it's called it.
సో ఈ 5 ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉంది కదా, ఇది దేహంలో సమతులంగా ఉంటే, సమతుల్యం ఉంటే, బ్యాలెన్స్డ్ గా ఉంటే ఏ వ్యాధి రాదు. ಅయింದಾ? ಇವು ಎప్పుಡೈనా ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ అవుతే మనకు ವ್ಯಾಧಿ ವಸ್ತುಂದಿ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಹದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ 5 ಪಂಚಭೂತಗಳು ಸಮತುಲ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ವ್ಯಾಧಿ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ, ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಧಿ ಉತ್ಪನ್ನ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Then how to control using these 5 fingers? This is the main thumb. When you touch these tips, the air media will get increased. காற்று மூலகம் get increased. Particular element get increased. This one. This is called chin mudra. தியானம் பண்ணும் பொழுது நம்ம இப்படிதான் வச்சிருப்போம். மேல் நோக்கி வச்சிருந்தா அது பேர் ஜனன முத்ரா. முட்டியில் இப்படி கை வச்சிருந்தீங்கன்னா அது பேர் சின் முத்ரா. Chin mudra. This one. We are combining the large intestine and the lungs so that we are doing Jabamala. While during the prayer doing Jabamala, no, that is sufficient. Your lungs and LI come to line. So the people are doing Jabamala 108 times. Both are linked. You are closing the circle with the large intestine and the lungs. This one. And when you are touching this tip,
Okay, I will complete this.
all the tip, when you are touching the tips, the element will be increased.
See. So if you touch like this is chin mudra. Chin mudra అంటే ಈಗ ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి ఇది వాయువు, ఇది అగ్ని. ఈ రెండింటిని టచ్ చేస్తే చిన్ ముద్ర అవుతుంది. ఇట్లా పెడితే చిన్ ముద్ర, ఇట్లా పెడితే
This is called Janana Mudra.
జనన ముద్ర.
This is Chin Mudra.
This is చిన్ ముద్ర.
Chin Mudra.
చిన్ ముద్ర, this is జనన.
Janana Mudra.
So
Same only.
yeah, జనన ముద్ర, చిన్ ముద్ర. సో ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుందంటే ఎప్పుడైతే 2 టచ్ చేస్తే, ఇలా టచ్ చేసినప్పుడు ఇది అగ్నితత్వం కదా, ఏ అగ్నితత్వంకి ఏదైతే వేరే తత్వం టచ్ అవుతుందో అది పెరుగుతుంది.
1 minute.
అంటే ఇలా పెట్టినప్పుడు వాయుతత్వం
1 minute. Why we are doing, the element is increasing. This is you are having some breathing issue or any meditation issue, oxygen issues. You put it like this, the oxygen will get improved, the breathing will improve like that. Suppose you are having pain on the knees, all joint pains, that means the air will go and lock in all the joints. So whenever any pain, you hold it and press like this. When you touch the tips, all the elements will get rise. When you hold it and put it in the wire, we are using the heat, we are heating the water, air element, wood element, earth element, water element.
Right.
So when you are pressing this one, this is painkiller mudra. Continuously you got to use. For that will explain afterwards. Now
Right.
when
So-
you touch the tips, the element will get increased. When you fold it and touching like this, the element will come down.
కరెక్ట్. సో హియర్ ఇక్కడ ఏముంది 4 ఉన్నాయి కదా, అంటే మొత్తం 5 పంచభూతాల్లో దీన్ని టచ్ చేస్తే, ఇలా టచ్ చేసినప్పుడు వాయుతత్వం పెరుగుతుంది, ఇలా టచ్ చేస్తే ఆకాశతత్వం పెరుగుతుంది, ఇలా టచ్ చేస్తే పృథ్వీ తత్వం పెరుగుతుంది, ఇలా ಟಚ್ చేసినప్పుడు ನೀಟಿ ತತ್ವ ಪೆరుగుతుంది. ಈ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಪಂಚಭೂತವನ್ನು ಈ ಹೆಬ್ಬೆರಳು ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಹೀಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ನಮ್ದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕರ್ಲು ಮತ್ತೆ ಲಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಉಸಿರಾಟ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ ಮಲ ವಿಸರ್ಜನೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ಉಸಿರಾಟ ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅವಾಗ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆ ವಾಯು ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಧ್ಯಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು, ಒಳಗಡೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ವಾಯು. ಅವಾಗ ಈಗ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಮುದ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಆ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇದೇ ವಾಯು ತತ್ವವನ್ನು ಹೀಗೆ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈಗ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ರೈಟ್, ಇದೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ವಾಯು ಮುದ್ರಾ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಯು ದೇಹದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ, ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ ಈ ಮೊಣಕಾಲು ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೇ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಮೊಣಕಾಲು ಇಲ್ಲಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಯು ಸ್ಟಕ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ, ಅದರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಪೇನ್ಸ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಬಾಡಿ ಪೇನ್ಸ್ ಎನಿವೇರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಪೇನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಇದು ವಾಯು ಮುದ್ರಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ
Okay, sir. Now we are going to see the do's and don'ts. Do's and don'ts means while doing mudra, you have to sit straight. You can do mudra by laying down. We can do. படுத்துக்கிட்டு பண்ணலாம், உட்கார்ந்துக்கிட்டு பண்ணலாம், நடந்துட்டு மட்டும் பண்ணக்கூடாது. You should not walk and do the mudras. Only mudra allowed while walking is Abana mudra. I will explain later. Now we don't know. You can lay down and do normally. No need of anything like that. You can sit in the chair like this. Only thing is your legs should not touch the earth. Put a mat. Something. Sit straight. Any ring is there, tight ring is there, you can remove it. Then before while hungry, don't do that. Immediately taking bath, don't do that. Immediately taking food, don't do that. If you're taking any sleeping pills, not do that. These are all the conditions we're supposed to do.
ಸೊ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮುದ್ರಗಳಿಗೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರ ಸರ್. ಊಟ ತಿಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆಫ್ಟರ್
Sleeping pills.
ಸ್ಲೀಪಿಂಗ್ ಪಿಲ್ಸ್
30 minutes before and after food and meals.
30 ನಿಮಿಷ ಆಹಾರದ ಮುಂಚೆ, 30 ನಿಮಿಷ ಆಹಾರ ತಿಂದಿದ ಮೇಲೆ, ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಮುದ್ರಗಳು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಸ್ಲೀಪಿಂಗ್ ಪಿಲ್ಸ್ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಬಾರ್ದು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮುದ್ರಗಳು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
யாரெல்லாம் பண்ணக்கூடாது? Those are supposed to. Pregnant ladies up to 6 months you can do. After that, don't do the pregnant lady, because some of the mudras like Gopura mudra, we say that before hip, all the issues will be solved by the Gopura mudra and Abana mudra also, because pulling from bottom to lower. Suppose a pregnant lady is there, there may be leads to abortion. So you should be very, very careful. Pregnant ladies and persons with some plate வச்சிருக்கவங்க, ஆபரேஷன் பண்ணிருப்பாங்க, after operation you discuss with your doctor and do that one. And also somebody tell that if you put a mudra, no need to put any medicine, not like that. You should not stop the English medicine. This only a supporting medicine or supporting therapy only, but you will get 100% result. தியானம் இந்த முத்ரை வைக்கும் பொழுது minimum time is 20 to 30 minutes. Based on the disease, if you are chronic disease, 40 minutes வைக்கணும். 5 நிமிஷத்துல வச்சா ரிசல்ட் கிடைக்காது. அதே மாதிரி சொல்லிடுங்க.
So these mudras practice especially minimum 20 minutes morning, 20 minutes afternoon, 20 minutes evening. Otherwise 2 times, morning 20 minutes, evening 20 minutes you can do. Again English it is going. Okay. So తెలుగులో చెప్తాను. పొద్దున్నే 20 నిమిషాలు, సాయంత్రం 20 నిమిషాలు కంపల్సరీ ముద్ర చేయాలి. ఈ ముద్రలు వచ్చేసి ఎవరైనా ప్రెగ్నెంట్ పీపుల్ ఉంటారు, ప్రెగ్నెంట్ ఉమెన్ ఉంటే, ప్రెగ్నెన్సీ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇది చేయకూడదు. అంటే ఎస్పెషల్లీ 6 నెలల వరకు చేయొచ్చు. 6 నెలల తర్వాత ఈ ముద్రలు ఆపేయాలి. ఎందుకంటే ఆ ముద్రలు చేస్తున్నప్పుడు అపాన ముద్ర ఇట్లా ఉంది కదా, ఇది చేసినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందంటే ఒకసారి అంటే గర్భం కూడా జారే అవకాశం ఉంటుంది అనమాట. అందుకోసం ఈ యొక్క 6 నెలల తర్వాత స్టాప్ చేయాలి అని చెప్తున్నారు. సో అది ఇంపార్టెంట్.
And there is no specific place required. எங்க வேணா பண்ணலாம். அதே மாதிரி உட்கார்ந்து இருக்கும்போது ஸ்ட்ரெயிட்டா உட்கார்ந்து முதுகு மட்டும் ஸ்ட்ரெயிட்டா இருந்தா போதும். எல் டைப் சேர்ல உட்காந்துக்கங்க. எட்டா மாதிரி சோஃபால உட்காந்து பண்ணாதீங்க. தரையில உட்காந்துக்கங்க. முடியாட்டு மெத்த போட்டு உட்காந்துக்கங்க. கம்ஃபர்டபுளா பண்ண முடியும். டு பி அவாய்டட் பிட்வீன் நைட் 12 o'clock டு மார்னிங் 3 o'clock. எனி முத்ரா அது மட்டும் பண்ணக்கூடாது. இப்போ 1 or 2 mudras useful for your health we can see. First mudra is chin mudra. If you take like this Janana mudra, if you do like this chin mudra, this will improve. Only thing is just have it, just touch it. You just touch it, just hold it for 3 to 4 seconds. Small pulse will come. You can feel the pulse. Just do it. Small pulse தெரியும். லைட்டா அமுதுங்க, பல்ஸ் தெரியும். That is okay. You got to keep it for minimum 20 minutes. Any mudra, minimum 20 minutes. 5 minutes and all don't get result. So 20 minutes. If you are having breathing issue or thing, you can do like this one. Memory power get improved. For students, it is a best mudra. For students, you recommend your students, your class, your kids, you can do. While studying, keep your finger like this. While writing exam, first line, you got to touch it. You're writing exam, ask your son or daughter, you are studying this one. While exam, you are keeping like this, writing the exam, the memory power will get improved. So something missing in your memory, it will come back. We have checked this mudra, more than 50 to 60 students, especially NEET exam students, they came to me said that, sir, it is very good working. I have done so many questions, came to normal. I got more than 60 to 60 marks extra. For student mudra, this one, chin mudra, memory power improved. While writing exam, left hand will be first touching the first line.
సో అర్థమైంది కదా. మోస్ట్లీ సార్ చాలా సులభంగానే చెప్తున్నారు, పెద్దగా డిఫికల్ట్ ఏం లేదు. ಅರ್ಥ కాకపోతే ಅಡಗಂడి. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಈವನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ. ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏಕಾಗ್ರತೆ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ, ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೆನಪಿನ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಅವ್ರು ಓದುವಾಗ ಈಗ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಓದ್ಬೋದು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವರು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಬರೆಯಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅವಾಗ ಈ ಹೆಬ್ಬೆರಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಲೈನ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೀಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಎಡಗೈಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಬಲಗೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಬರ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಆತರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು.
Right. Okay. While doing mudra, both hands you got to keep normally. Suppose if I saying, sir, என்னால முடியாது அப்படின்னு பண்ணீங்கன்னா, you can keep one finger, you may get some result. But while doing mudra, you must keep in mind that இதுக்கு தான் பண்றோம்னு சொல்லி பண்ணும். இந்த டிவி எல்லாம் ஆன் பண்ணிட்டு பொழுது போனா பண்றேன்னு பண்ணீங்கன்னா ரிசல்ட் வராது. அப்புறம் சார் இது போட்டா உடனே ரிசல்ட் கிடைக்குமா? நோ. சில பேருக்கு உடனே கிடைக்கும், சில பேருக்கு ஹவர்ஸ்ல கிடைக்கும், சில பேருக்கு 1 week, 15 days, ஒரு மண்டலம் 48 days. பட் 100% రిజల్ట్ యూ కెన్ గెట్ ఇట్.
రైట్. సో ముద్రలు చేసేటప్పుడు ఎలా ఉండాలంటే చాలా ఇంట్రెస్ట్ గా, అంటే మన యొక్క పూర్తి ఏకాగ్రతతో చేస్తే రిజల్ట్స్ వస్తాయి. సో ఖచ్చితంగా రిజల్ట్స్ వస్తాయి, దాంట్లో డౌటే లేదు. అయితే ముద్రలు చేస్తున్నప్పుడు ఏదైనా ఇంగ్లీష్ మెడిసిన్ వాడుతూ ఉంటే సడన్ గా ఆపొద్దు. ఈ ఇంగ్లీష్ మెడిసిన్ ఎట్లాంటిదంటే మన యొక్క సైకలాజికల్ గా మనం దాన్ని ట్యూన్ అయిపోయి ఉంటాం కదా. సో దాన్ని సడన్ గా ఆపకూడదు ఎప్పుడు. దాన్ని ఈ పక్క ముద్రలు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తూ, ముద్రలు కానీ ఇంకా వేరే థెరపీస్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తూ నిదానంగా ఆ మెడిసిన్ ఆటోమేటిక్గా తనంత అదే వదిలేస్తుంది, బాడీ వదిలేస్తుంది. బాడీ చెప్తుంది, లోపల మనకే చెప్తుంది ఇది ఇంకా అక్కర్లేదు అని. అప్పుడు వదిలేయాలి. అంతేగాని మీరు మెడిసిన్ ఆల్రెడీ తీసుకుంటూ హెవీ డోస్ తీసుకుంటూ సడన్ గా వదిలేస్తే సైకలాజికల్లీ ఒక రకంగా మన లోపల యాక్సెప్టెన్స్ ఉండదు. కాబట్టి అప్పుడు ఇంకా ఎక్కువ ప్రాబ్లం ఎక్కువ అవుతుంది. ఎస్.
இப்போ நான் உங்களுக்கு 5 எலிமெண்ட்ஸ் என்னன்னு தெரியும், என்ன ஆர்கன் சொல்லிட்டேன். இப்ப நான் கேட்கறதுக்கு பதில் சொல்லுங்க. உங்களுக்கு சளி பிடிச்சிருக்கு, காஃப் வந்துருச்சு. வாட் இஸ் த ரீசன்? விச் எலிமெண்ட் கெட் அஃபெக்டட்? எந்த மூலகம் பாதிக்கப்பட்டிருக்கு?
காஃப்.
காஃப்
ஆ.
சளி இருமல்லாம் வருது இல்லையா?
ஆ.
எந்த மூலகம் பாதிக்கப்பட்டா சளி இருமல் வரும்?
ಅಂದ್ರೆ
வாட்டர்.
வாட்டர்.
சோ வாட்டர் வந்து பாதிக்கப்பட்டா சளி இருமல் வரும். இப்ப சொல்லுங்க, காஃபுக்கு என்ன முத்திரை வைக்கலாம்? இது வந்து வாட்டர் எலிமெண்ட். இந்த ஹீட்டை கொண்டு போய் பிடிக்கிறோம். திஸ் இஸ் கால்ட் திரிசூல் முத்ரா. This is called Trisul Mudra because 3 is there, no? Trisul Mudra. This is for cough. In addition to that, you are having one more temperature here, fire. You keep like this, hold it like this. You keep like this, hold it like this. First you go to give, hold the little finger, press this one. Then you are having one more fire in this finger, put it here like this, same line. You hold it like this. This mudra is called Surya Mani Mudra. This one, after putting this one, within 3 minutes, you will get thirsty. உங்களுக்கு தாகம் எடுக்கும். So முத்ரா வேலை செய்யுதுன்னு அர்த்தம். தொடர்ந்து வச்சீங்கன்னா நமக்கு சளி பிடிச்சா மினிமம் ஒரு 7 days ஆவது இருக்கும் இல்லையா? 7 to 10 days ஆவது இருக்கும். இது வச்சீங்கன்னா ஒரு 2 to 3 daysல உடனே சரியாயிடும். எஸ்பெஷலி கிட்ஸுக்கு வந்து மந்திரம் மாதிரி வேலை வரும். Within 2 hours, this will get cured immediately.
For what are the cough?
A cough is chali, irmal, they like that.
Cough and
Cough, sir.
cough and fever.
Cough only. Kapam.
కఫం. ఓకే. సో ఇప్పుడు అర్థమైంది కదా, కఫానికి ముద్ర చెప్పారు సారు. అంటే ఈ ఎలిమెంట్ వాటర్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఎక్కువ అయితే కఫం వచ్చింటది. దాన్ని ఇట్లా పెట్టినప్పుడు కఫం తగ్గాలంటే దీని మీద పెట్టాలి. దాంతో పాటు సార్ ఏం చెప్పారంటే ఇంకోటి సూర్యం అనే ముద్ర చూపించారు. అది చేస్తే పిల్లలకు వచ్చేసి ఆ కఫం ప్రాబ్లం ఉంటది కదా, వీచింగ్ కఫం ఇమ్మీడియట్ విత్ ఇన్ 2 hours ఇట్ విల్ రెడ్యూస్. అయితే చేసినప్పుడు 20 minutes చేయాలి. 20 minutes పొద్దున, మళ్ళీ 2 times.
20 times, morning 20 minutes, evening 20.
మార్నింగ్ 20 minutes, ఈవినింగ్ 20 minutes పిల్లలకి ప్రాక్టీస్ చేపించాలి.
Or starting. 20 minutes you got to put it. Trisul Mudra.
Trisul Mudra. This is Trisul Mudra. And one more Mudra, sir, son, that is
Now,
Surya Mani Mudra.
now tell me, you want body hormone. You want body hormone. Which mudra we got? This is called earth. Ring finger is belongs to earth. Earth meant for body. So you are boosting your body. So you will get element. If you want a big weight, you want to gain weight, use this mudra. You want to gain weight, you can use this mudra. This is called Prithvi Mudra, Nila Mudra. Now tell me how to reduce your weight. You do this one.
Surya Mudra.
Surya Mudra. This while doing mudra, not only weight coming down, because in your body you are heating with the fire. சூரிய ஒளி மட்டும் குறையாது. நீங்க பெருவிரல் போதர விரல வைக்கிறப்போ இறப்பையும் ஸ்பிளீனும் அழுத்தி பிடிக்கிறப்போ பெண்களுக்குரிய பீரியட்ஸ் ப்ராப்ளம் சரியாகும், கொலஸ்ட்ரால் கம்மியாகும், பிபி கம்மியாகும், உடம்பு டெம்பரேச்சர் ஜாஸ்தி ஆகும், சொட்டு சொட்டா வேர்க்கும். ஒரு 40 minutes வச்சிருந்தீங்கன்னா ட்ரெஸ் ஃபுல்லா நனைஞ்சிரும். பட் கண்டினியூஸா வைக்கணும். திஸ் இஸ் ஃபார் கெட்டிங் ஹார்மோன். உடம்பு வருவதற்கு, உடம்பு குறையிறது. இப்போ உங்களுக்கு வந்து வெர்டிகோ இருக்கு. Vertigo. You are having vertigo.
This one first English me.
This one.
English.
This is called Prithvi Mudra to gain weight, getting hormone. So this is a supportive mudra for all. If anybody found weak or tired, we can use. யார் டயர்டா இருக்காங்க, டல்லா இருக்காங்கன்னா யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். அதே இது வெயிட் குறையணும்னாக்க வச்சுக்கோங்க. இது ஒண்ணு மட்டும் குறையாது, இதுக்கு வந்து 40 பலன் இருக்கு. அதுல மேஜர் பலன் பாத்தீங்கன்னா உடம்பு சூடாகும், கொலஸ்ட்ரால் குறையும், பிபி நார்மல் ஆகும், ரொம்ப கம்ஃபர்டபுளா ஃபீல் பண்ணுவீங்க, டைஜஷன் இம்ப்ரூவ் ஆகும். ஏன்னா இங்க என்ன இருக்கு, இறப்பை ஸ்டமக்கும் ஸ்பிளீனை ஹீட் பண்றீங்க, அப்போ స్టమక్ ఇష్యూ కూడా సరియా పోవు.
ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఈస్ అంటే ఇట్లా పెట్టుకుంటే ఏమవుతుందంటే వెయిట్ పెరుగుతుంది. ఓకే, అంటే అన్ని మన ದೇಹಂ యొక్క ಬರುವು ಪೆರಗಾలంటే ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಹದ ತೂಕ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು. ಅದೇ ತೂಕವನ್ನು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೀಗಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಈಗ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ಉಂಗರ ಬೆರಳಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ತೋರು ಬೆರಳಿಗೂ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಬುಡಿಮೆದಲ್ಲಿ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಇದು ಸೂರ್ಯ ಮುದ್ರಾ. ಸೂರ್ಯ ಮುದ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರಿಂದ ಮೇನ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಮೆಟಬಾಲಿಸಮ್, ಒಳಗಡೆ ಮೆಟಬಾಲಿಸಮ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಜೀರ್ಣಕೋಶದ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹೀಟ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾಡತ್ತೆ. ಹೀಟ್ ಓಕೆ. ಕೊಲೆಸ್ಟ್ರಾಲ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. BP ಅನ್ನು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಡೈಜೆಷನ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಇದು ಸೂರ್ಯ ಮುದ್ರಾ.
Why digestion? You must know that is stomach and spleen. So heating the stomach, so it getting heated, what is digestion coming on. You are having vertigo issue. Vertigo means empty space. Where empty space is available in our body? Head. Head. So when you are touching this one, vertigo will go. You are reducing Akash. This is 100% working. I have solved more than 20 to 50 people. Vertigo is 100% solved.
వెర్టిగో సమస్య ఉంటే ఈ యొక్క ఆకాశతత్వం ఉంది కదా, దాన్ని ఈ యొక్క బొటనవేలు మొదటి భాగంలో పెట్టి ఇట్లా క్లోజ్ చేయాలి. దీని పేరు వచ్చేసి శూన్య ముద్ర అంటారు. శూన్య ముద్ర. ఇది వెర్టిగో ఎవరుకుంటే అది సాల్వ్ చేస్తుంది.
More than 185 mudras are there. First I'll give the basic mudras. If you're having sugar, generally stomach related issues, வயிறு சார்ந்த எந்த பிரச்சனைனாலும் சரி, அபான் முத்ரா. ரஜினிகாந்த் வச்சிருப்பா பாத்தீங்களா, பாபா முத்ரான்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, அபான் முத்ரா. இதை நீங்க 1 month வச்சுட்டு you give me a feedback. வேற எந்த முத்திரையும் நீங்க வைக்க வேணாம். No need to put any other mudra. You do this one, morning 20 minutes, evening 20 minutes. After 1 week, after 1 month, I give my card, everything. You'll call me, tell that, sir, எனக்கு வயிறு பிரச்சனையே இல்ல. This one. So, அடுத்த முத்திரைன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா முஷ்டி முத்திரை. கையை மடக்குறீங்க, மடக்கிட்டு இந்த பெருவிரலை கொண்டு போய் ரிங் ஃபிங்கர் மேல வைக்கிறீங்க. First one is Abhana Mudra, I have told. Second one is Mushti Mudra. இப்ப சொல்லுங்க, எங்க டச் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன்? போய் ரிங் ஃபிங்கர் தொட்டுட்டு இருக்கேன். So these two for sugar. This is for stomach. First mudra you have to do for sugar. Second mudra, digestion. This is called Mushti Mudra. Digestion. Stomach is the main reason for 99% of the diseases. தமிழ்ல ஒரு பழமொழி சொல்லுவாங்க, வாய்க்கு நாக்குக்கு செல்லம் கொடுத்தா நாசமா போவேன்னு சொல்லிட்டு. So don't patter your tongue. You must give what body wants, not tongue wants. While going outside, you are seeing that banana, bhaji, something is there. That means your mind is asking, not your body is not asking. வீட்ல சம்டைம் வீட்ல இருக்கும்போது இன்னைக்கு கேசரி பண்ணலாமே, இன்னைக்கு வடை காரம் சாப்பிடலாமேன்னு தோணும். சோ அப்போ உடம்பு கேட்கறத கொடுங்க. யூ லிசன் யுவர் பாடி. சோ சுகருக்கு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 20 minutes, செகண்ட் 20 minutes. இப்போ இன்னொரு முத்திரை சுகருக்கு வைக்கலாம். கமெண்ட் பண்ணிக்கீங்க. இந்த கையில அபான முத்திரை, இந்த கையில
சூரிய முத்ரா.
This is called Madhumega Mudra. Madhumegam means in the Tamil sugar, English in sugar. So this is for sugar. இந்த 3 முத்ரா வைங்க, சுகர் மடமடன் கம்மி ஆயிடும். எந்த பிரச்சனையும் வேற எந்த எக்ஸசைஸ் வாக்கிங் எதுவும் தேவையில்லை உங்களுக்கு. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் முத்ரா இஸ் அபான முத்ரா, செகண்ட் முத்ரா இஸ் முஷ்டி முத்ரா, third mudra is combine these two. This is called Madhumega Mudra. These 3 mudra is sufficient, no other mudra is not required.
ఓకే, అర్థమైంది కదా. సో మళ్ళీ ట్రాన్స్లేషన్ అక్కర్లేదు అనుకుంటాను. షుగర్ కోసం అద్భుతమైన ముద్ర చెప్పారు సారు. 3 ముద్రలు మాత్రమే చాలు మనకి షుగర్ కి. అపాన ముద్ర, తర్వాత ముష్టి ముద్ర అంటే
ముష్టి ముద్ర.
ఈ బొటన వేలు ఉంది కదా, ఈ రింగ్ ఫింగర్ మీదకి రావాలి, ఇలా రావాలి. ఇది ముష్టి ముద్ర. అన్ని వేళ్ళు మడచాలి, బొటన వేలు పైనకి ఈ బొటన వేలు ఉంగర వేలు పైన రావాలి. ఇది ముష్టి ముద్ర. ప్రతిదీ కూడా ప్రతి ముద్ర ఇట్లా వేసుకున్న తర్వాత ఇట్లా తొడ మీదనే పెట్టుకోవాలి. ప్రాక్టీస్ ఇలా పెట్టుకోకూడదు, ఎయిర్లో పెట్టుకోకూడదు, ఇట్లా తొడ మీద పెట్టుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి. సో అది. తర్వాత మధుమేఘ ముద్ర అంటే ఇక్కడ ఎడమ చేతిలో సూర్య ముద్ర, కుడి చేతిలో వచ్చేసి అపాన ముద్ర. ఇది మధుమేఘ ముద్ర అంటారు. ఇది అద్భుతమైన షుగర్ కి. చూడండి ఎలా ఉందో అంటే, ఈ ముద్రలు చేపించి కూడా మేము చూసాం. సార్ వచ్చేసి ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್, ಎನ್ನೋ ಚೋಟ್ಲ ಎಂತೋ ಮಂದಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ చేసి ಅದ್ಭುತమైన ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅವರು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಮುದ್ರಗಳಿಂದ ಫಲಿತಗಳು ಹೇಗಿರ್ತವೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ಸೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಶುಗರ್ ಇನ್ ಫುಲ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಫುಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮುದ್ರಾಸ್.
When we are combining
Okay.
Varma plus sugar, Varma plus mudra and acupuncture, I reverse the sugar. Those are putting 16 insulin, 6 to 7 months. They got to follow my rules. Putting mudra is not sufficient. You must change the food habits. நீங்க வாயை கட்டணும். வாயை கட்டினீங்கன்னா 6 மாசம் வாயை கட்டினீங்கன்னா லைஃப் லாங்கா சாப்பிடலாம், எது வேணா சாப்பிடலாம். ஓகே, இது முத்ரா, நிறைய முத்ரா இருக்கு, 185 முத்ரா இருக்கு. என்னோட புக்ஸ் அவைலபிள், நீங்க பாத்துக்கங்க. இதுல ஏதாவது டவுட் இருந்தா கேளு. ஒரு 12 முத்ரா சொல்லியிருக்கேன் உங்களுக்கு. Then we can start. Varma.
Cover another 20.
Another half an hour, sir.
No. Parallel actually 3 to 4 is the time.
Okay, sir. Okay, right. Now we cover. Sir, you tell me stomach mudra, right side. Surya mudra, left side. Combine together.
Surya on the left. Surya on the left side.
Surya mudra. You had a left side, right side. Abana mudra. Abana mudra. That's all.
Yeah.
This is for sugar. Madhumega mudra, but many mudras are there. You can combine everything. You have to change the food habits. சாப்பாட்டு முறையை மாத்தணும். கண்டதை சாப்பிடக்கூடாது. சுகர் வந்து 100% ரிவர்சபிள், பயப்படவே வேண்டியதில்லை. நான் முத்திரை வைக்கிறேன்னு சொல்லிட்டு நீங்க வந்து மருந்தை குறைச்சிடக்கூடாது. தென் திஸ் இஸ் இன்ட்ரோடக்ஷன். நெக்ஸ்ட் பார்ட் இஸ் வர்மா.
ನೋಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಮ್ಮ.
எல்லாமே சாப்பாட்டுக்கு 30 minutes முன்னாடி
Food.
இல்ல பின்னாடி, குளிச்சதுக்கு 20 minutes முன்னாடி இல்ல பின்னாடி, ஆஃப்டர் டேக்கிங் பாத் ஆர் ஃபுட். ஹங்கரியா இருக்கும்போது பண்ணக்கூடாது, எந்த முத்திரையும் பண்ணக்கூடாது. தென்
ಫುಡ್ ತಿನ್ನಕ್ ಮುಂಚೆ 30 ನಿಮಿಷ ಮುಂಚೆ 30 ನಿಮಿಷ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದು ರೆಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಮುದ್ರ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಹೀಗೆ ತೊಡೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅದು.
then Varma therapy, I'll simply explain that. Varma means some life force points are available in a body, in a hidden force. So that his name is called Varma. சில புள்ளிகள் வந்து உடம்புல வந்து அங்கங்க மர்மமா மறைஞ்சு இருக்குது. அதுல அடிபடுறப்போ நம்ம உயிர் ஓட்டம், உயிர் சக்தி பாதிக்கப்படுறதுனால உடம்புல வியாதிகள் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுது. So இது வந்து Shiva and Shakti went on walking in the forest. One hunter is fell down. So Shakti told them what happened. Shiva and won't touch him and wake up. So Shakti got astonished. How it is possible? That is called Varma. So Shiva taught to Shakti. Shakti taught to Murugan. Murugan taught to Agathiyar. Agathiyar taught to 18 சித்தர்கள். Like the sequence. So like that sequence is called. This is a very same thing. Have you seen that Indian Kamal Haasan movie? Kamala attack. That is called attacking. That is self-defense. The same points only. We are giving minor modulation of the pressure. That is called matra. You can solve all the diseases. In Varma, you cannot cure 2 diseases. One is fistula. ஆசனவாய் வெடிப்புன்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா? Fistula cannot be cured and psoriasis, skin diseases. But the same thing can be cured with the mudra. So mudra means which mudra you can use for skin? Increase the water in your body. Dryness will go. So combined together we can do like that. So this Varma is started in the year 15 to 16,000 BC. Lumoria Kandam is there. Due to tsunami it has gone. Only remaining portion is Kanyakumari. So the Varma is taught in Kanyakumari district only nowadays. So if you want to learn Varma, you can go to Kanyakumari, put it in Assam and learn like that. So Varma is not good on something because it is a very dangerous one. And also we go to simulate, but for treatment, that is not a issue, big issue. Very easy. I will explain 1 or 2 Varma points. That will be easy. Totally 108 Varmam points are there. 12 Padu Varmam. Padu Varmam means if you have fatal, leads to fatal. இறந்துருவாங்க, அடிச்சா இறந்துருவாங்க. இங்க அடிச்சா இறந்துருவாங்க. உச்சில அடிச்சா இறந்துருவாங்க. சில இடத்துல அடிச்சா உசுறு போகும். அந்த அடி வர்றப்போ. தட்டு வருவம் மீன்ஸ் தடவி விட்டா கியூர் ஆகும். 96 days. மொத்தம் 108. நம்ம அவதார் ஃபவுண்டேஷன்ல we are taking course, Varma course, ஆன்லைன் கோர்ஸ் இருக்கு, 1 day practical course இருக்கு. That detail will collect in the website. So இந்த வர்மத்துல வந்து I will explain 1 or 2 வர்மம் that is very easy for you. Permanent cure for epilepsy. Permanent cure for epilepsy. காக்கா வலிப்புன்னு சொல்றோம் இல்லையா? காக்கா வலிப்பு வருது, விழிப்பு வருது இல்லையா? அதுக்கு வந்து கவுனி காலம். We are doing like this. This point is called கவுனி காலம். This point. You have to keep like this. Just press it for 10 times.
ఇది కౌలి కాలం అని చెప్తారు. సార్ చూపిస్తున్నాడు చూడండి ఆ టైంలో.
Up to 10 or 7, the bits will go. Immediately stop. For permanent cure, you have to stimulate this by 3 times in the morning, and from here 3 fingers this side. You move like this. Keep this finger 3 fingers distance. You move like this, not like this one. Like this. No, like this one. That's it. Just flap it. Morning and evening 3 times. Morning, evening, night. You will get 100% cure for epilepsy. Epilepsy you can do it. How much second? Maximum 30 seconds. Morning 1 time, afternoon 1 time, evening 1 time. Teach them. You got to press like this 3 times. 1, 2, 3. That's all. Morning, afternoon, evening. Whenever time is free, you can do it, no problem. And palm sweating. கை வேர்க்கும் பார்த்திருக்கீங்களா? ஸ்கூல்ல எக்ஸாம்லாம் பார்த்திருப்பீங்க. பசங்க வந்து கை குட்டை வச்சு எழுதிட்டு இருப்பாங்க, ஹேண்ட் கட்சி வச்சு எழுதிட்டு இருப்பாங்க. அதுக்கு வந்து வர்மம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா தட்சிணை காலம். One mudra is there. This is called a Dachine Kalam. When you touch this one, they will press like this. So like that one. If anybody has knee pain, you can come.
knee pain, you have anybody having knee pain? ಯಾರಿಗಾನ knee pain ಇದ್ರೆ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಒಬ್ಬರಿಬ್ರು ಬನ್ನಿ. knee pain, knee pain. Yes. More. No. Okay, we can't do more. Knee pain.
Ignoring ceremony. Diseases can be cured. I told you, no. Fistula cannot be cured. Psoriasis cannot be cured.
with the marma. Ah,
Burma. Next, I will 4 o'clock after 8:30 after we can discuss.
ah, one.
ரொம்ப பெயின் இருக்கா?
One.
More pain is there.
సార్ వచ్చేసి 8:30 వరకు ఉంటారు. కొన్ని ఏమైనా సమస్యలు ఉంటే బ్రేక్ టైంలో తీసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, ఆఫ్టర్ ద ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಹೈಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಆಗತ್ತಾ?
You want to move. You turn it. You want to turn. No, madam. Turn. It's only a demo only. The knee pain can be cured with the Varma maximum of 5 to 6 days.
మైక్ జోబులు.
For knee pain, first this one, put a hand like this. You got to move like this 9 times. 1, 2, put a full pressure, light pressure. Then reverse 9 times. Then this side 9 times. This side 9 times. Then this joint, first one, move like this, move like this, hold it like this, 30 seconds. Then reverse, you go to press it. ரொம்ப வலிக்குதா மேடம்? More pain is there? Fine. Huh? Okay. I'm moving like this, slowly. Now pain is how much? 0 to 10. How much will be there? No. Scaling. 0, 1, 2, 3, 10. What is the percentage? 50%, 80%.
ಸರ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಮುಂಚೆನಾ ಅಥವಾ ಈಗಲೂ ಸರ್?
Ippo.
ಈಗ 9 ಸರ್.
9. Okay, 9. Now pressure is, the problem is, for this madam is 9. After the treatment, ensure that you 50% reduce immediately. புறப்படுக்க முடியும் மேடம். உல்டா. பாருங்க, main பாருங்க. See the pain. Get up. Nothing. How it is? Now the scale is how much? Now 9 is, how is it?
50%.
50% reduced. So this is a one sitting only. I'm not fully done because I have to. Max asked the madam to start and I would put his oil and everything I have to put. Within single touch, heavy pain is there. It is to 50%. You come to 5 to 6 times continuously, 1 week, permanent cure for this knee pain. But based on the age only. Above 80, the people came. But ask them, make them to step walking. That's why I have done. This is one of the method is doing like that. This is for hip pain. Like that, each and every disease, some separate books is methods. Thank you, madam. Thank you. No. Other one.
So this Varman therapy, there is a course going to start now. That is from Monday. Sir is conducting 3 months course, online, offline. 3 months course. Whoever want to become like him, right? You want to make like him many doctors across India. So we have started Matar Foundation, Soul Kshetra, Holistic Wellness Center has started this online course. Already registrations are going on. From coming Monday only, course is going to start. 3 months course. Every week, 2 hours online. Every week, 2 days online course. 2 days online. The 2 days also 2 hours per day. And offline is every month, one Sunday offline at Mahatar Foundation, Bengaluru. Like that, 3 months course we are doing. Sir is starting from Monday. So registration is also open. Anybody wanted to register and you want to become a Marma doctor, you can enroll that course. Definitely. It is very, very reasonable cost he is doing. In fact, like him, I never found that kind of master who is going to charge such a less amount, because Marma therapy, Marma expert you want to become, you have to spend lot of time, lakhs together, money also. But he's charging very reasonable amount. Okay. 27,000 is charging and certificate will be issued. After learning also, 1 year support also you will give. When you are practicing as a doctor, whatever the doubts you get now, you will solve it. So, such a wonderful thing, you can use it.
Last treatment, anybody having heel pain? Heel pain. Anybody having heel pain? Cannot able to put the leg. Please come.
Heel pain.
Heel pain. Huh? Okay, no problem.
Pocket.
Pull down.
This is for heel pain. Heel pain.
Leave it.
பாதங்கள்ல வலி இருந்தா இந்த ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் கொடுக்கறாங்க.
கால் leg free ஆகுது. Now see the pain. இருக்கா கம்மியா இருக்கா ஜாஸ்தி? Reduce. Jump on pain. Jump.
I am suffering since age 8 months of this increase of bone, and just sir was pressed like this and a little bit reduced.
For heel pain, 100% is possible. 100% single sitting. But the time is not there for me. That's why. But how much time is taken? 30 to 40 seconds. That's one. Like that miracle you can do by learning the Varma. Okay. Thank you very much. The Varma book is available Tamil and English also. This will be displayed in the evening in the kitchen, dining area. You can see. Come and collect it. Not us. I'll bring it. Kannada is not there. English and Tamil.
English and Tamil books are available in the dining area. One counter is there. So you can, if you want, you can purchase. మీకు ఏమైనా బుక్స్ కావాలంటే డైనింగ్ ఏరియాలో ఇంగ్లీష్ బుక్స్ దొరుకుతాయి. మర్మా థెరపీ, ముద్రా థెరపీ బుక్స్ కొనుక్కోవచ్చు. డైనింగ్ ఏరియాలో ఉన్నాయి. రైట్. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. హ్యావ్ ఎ సీట్.